How to install the latest Java on Windows 11. First, check for existing Java installation. Go to the Windows search bar. Search cmd. Open the command prompt. Type Java space minus version and press enter. If Java is installed, you'll see the version information. If not, you'll receive an error message indicating that Java is not recognized, like this. This means Java is not installed on this Windows 11 device. Now let's download Java from the official website. Open a web browser. Go to Google. Search for Oracle Java. Go to the official Oracle website. Click on the Download Java button. Scroll down. Click on the Windows section. Then download the installer file by clicking on 64-bit version. After downloading complete, open it. Then a setup wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's recommended to choose the default settings for most users. This step is often unnecessary for most users, but it can be helpful for advanced users for developers. Open the Windows search bar. Type environment variables. Click on it. Click on the environment variables button. Under system variables, find the path variable and click edit. Click new. Paste the path to your Java installation bin folder. Go to the Java installations bin directory. Copy the path. Now paste it here. Click OK to save the changes. Now let's check it. Open the command prompt again. Type Java space minus version and press enter. You should now see the version information for the newly installed Java. And that's how you can install latest Java on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.